Hey everybody, this is Nintendo123. Welcome back to Let's Play Super Mario Sunshine. In the last episode, we defeated, we got a lot of the the Pianta Village. I can't talk. We got the Pianta Village stars. I'm missing one, which is the 100 coin mission. But other than that, we got them all. So, what I'm trying to do right now is I made it back to the airstrip. I'm trying to get all the 8 red coins. We are not through with the 100 coin missions yet, sadly. But I'm trying to focus, I'm sorry. Those fishies aren't nice. Yeah. Gotta get coin and 6. Okay. Now I really only gotta get the 100 coin shreds in Noki Bay and Pianta Village, then I'll be done with every world except for the overworld of this game. Then I'll be done. Now I'm gonna get 99 coins right here. And no, one of these does not contain a blue coin. Okay. Hold on. There we go. And I'm also gonna want to get this out of the way too. And boom, we got a shot. Two minutes, not a bad place. Now the reason why I only collected 99 coins was because, as you can see, we have 99 coins still, and that's because the airstrip connects with the overworld, so it doesn't disappear afterwards. So now I gotta try and find one more coin. And there it is. It goes all the way over there. All the way. So you gotta grab that. Obviously. Now there is only one particular shine that I'm not looking forward to getting at all. And you'll know it when it comes to it. I'm gonna stop the video. Not right now. I mean, like, I'm gonna stop the video, and then in the video where it happens, I'm gonna just start off with me already being there. I'm gonna explain what, because it takes forever, and since I don't know how to cut anything, then it would just be horrible. I gotta get onto one of these boats so I can collect the shine. Yeah, get back here. Did it! Bananas. Bananas are the only fruit that I know of that doesn't contain juice. That's awkward. And I love bananas. I love bananas. I think my favorite fruit is cherries. Post down in the comments what your favorite fruit is, though. I'm interested to know. I'm really intrigued, actually, what everyone's favorite fruit is, because I know people have different favorites and stuff like that. What shine can I do now? I have an idea. I really don't want to do it, but I'm gonna have to. Eventually. It's not the one that you're all thinking of. I know that one. So we gotta get over here. God, I messed up. There you go. Get it up. You walk it down with the sickness. Oh! Oh, of course. There we go. This one's very easy. It was just an annoyance to get to is all. Now if you go into bird's eye view, it'll make this a lot easier. Or easier, if you want to correct my grammar. You back here. Yes. You aren't on fire. Come on, man. I'm just trying to help you out. Help a brother. Come on. Come on. Okay. You're welcome, even though I can't see your face. I gotta get the bird. I gotta get the bird. It's all the way over there. I don't like that about this bird. There he is. There he goes. He transformed into a coin. Now basically every enemy in this level has a red coin. As you can so plainly see. Watermelon. Cubed watermelon. Almost 7 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Get up on that thing, Link. Link? Link? We aren't playing Zelda. Who's... What? What is going on? What if your mind is just thinking I'm playing Mario right now, but I'm actually doing a Zelda Let's Play? How awkward would that be? How would you feel? Let's just move on. Okay. Now I'm gonna give this a single go, and if I can't do it, which I know I'm not gonna, I'm just trying to waste time, I'll just skip to the next part. I don't like it. I don't want to be here. Boy. Now if you hold all the way back, you can get this one. I know that trick. I don't know every trick, but I know some tricks. There is a... Oh! No! Ow! Okay. The tricky ones are the ones that you can't seem to get. Okay, there you go. I wish I could fast forward this, but I can't. Ah! Oh! Frick. Fracker. I will get this. I know I said I'd do it in one go, but that was a lie. I only said that because I thought it would take up that much time, but it didn't. Okay. Let's just get this one. Come on, come on. We need to go. Let's move. Chop, chop. We don't have time for your silly games, Mario. Why did you... Whoa, what? What are you doing? Mario! Why do you keep dying at 5? Why? Why do you hate me? Oh, I only got 2. That's nice. Ah, oh, thank God. I live to see another day. And I keep missing that one coin. Need to get this one. Ah, yeah, I did it. Haha. Good night. Thank you. Okay, 6. Come on, Mario, you can do this. I believe in you. You have what it takes. You are not the Linkish wing. The Linka wing. Link, Mario. Okay, I thought he was stuck. He wouldn't move. Why do I keep calling him Link? Just got... Yeah! Got it. Now I just need to not mess up. If I mess up, I'm gonna cry. Not really. I'm gonna shed manly tears. I'm gonna sweat from my eyes. Now with that trick, you mainly don't touch anything. You just jump and let it go. You just let it go. You'll just land right there. So the next episode, I shall see you when I do the next shot, I guess. See you guys next time.